The letter A sound we use every day. Let's go over some words that starts with the letter A. A is for arrow. Arrow. A is for ant. Ant. A is for ape. Ape. A is for air. Air. A is for alligator. Alligator. A is for army. Army. A is for apple. Apple. A is for X. X. A is for all. All. A is for almonds. Almonds. These are the words that starts with letter A. Apple. X. Arrow. There's plenty of words that start with A. We'll save them for another day. Thanks for coming, it's lots of fun. Keep on learning, have a great one. A is for awesome. Awesome. A is for able. Able. A is for arrow. Arrow. A is for ant. Ant. A is for ape. Ape. A is for air. Air. A is for alligator. Alligator. A is for army. Army. A is for apple. Apple. A is for X. X. A is for all. All. A is for almonds. Almonds. These are the words that starts with letter A. Apple. X. Arrow. There's plenty of words that start with A. We'll save them for another day. Thanks for coming, it's lots of fun. Keep on learning, have a great one. A is for awesome. Awesome. A is for able.